Oh, we're just bored.
What tattoo?
What tattoo?
What tattoo? Wait, what did he say?
Tattoo?
You catch everything. He said, "Yes, Your Honor." You just said, "You honor."
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
I really don't know what you're talking about. Did you?
Well. Not wearing a bra.
Don't do that.
Hi guys.
Hey boy. Subscribe me.
Wait. Ready? What if I did the whole falling over there?
Do it. Go.
Hey. I want to fly on the bed. I'll run and jump.
Okay, go.
You ready? Well, hop.
Oh wait, you just had knee surgery. This isn't a good idea.
I know. What if I just get my head on the laptop?
Why are your pants pulled up so far?
I couldn't tell ya. You ready? Ow! That hurt so bad. Can we not put this one on?
Oh, we're putting it up.
Please don't.
You are clicking buttons on my computer. Well, bye.